My name is Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and I teach people how to skateboard. Today we're going to be learning the double flip. For the double flip, it's going to be the same motions as a regular kickflip. You pop, slide, spin it, catch it, and land it. Again, pop, slide, flip, catch, land. Super easy, right? The only difference between a single flip and a double flip is obviously that the board is going to be flipping around twice. So the only real difference you're going to make is you're going to put your foot more off to the side. That's your front foot, your flicking foot. The more off to the side of the board it is, the faster your board is going to spin around. So for my regular kickflip, I have it about right there, more on the board, and my double flip, I have it more off of the side. Just as a general rule with any flip trick, the more of your foot is on the board, the slower your board is going to spin. The main thing to practice is just the front foot super hard flick. The best thing to do is to practice just flicking it and stepping off with your back foot. So put your foot position similar to mine, with your front foot more off to the side than you would for a regular kickflip. And then just pop it, flick super hard, step off with your back foot, don't worry about trying to land on it, and just work on getting the board to flip around twice. Then once you have the double flip down, just in terms of the flick motion that you're going to be doing with your front foot, again, not trying to land it, but just stepping off to your back foot, then you can begin practicing putting your front foot on the board, actually stopping that rotation, and getting the catch down. So you can break down the trick into the couple different steps of the flick, getting it fully rotated, and then the catch as its own separate thing. So once you have it down really well in the flick, then you can start stepping off your front foot and putting your back foot on to practice stopping the rotation with your back foot and catching the board. That's going to be extremely important because your board is spinning so fast, you definitely have to be well trained into stopping your board at the right position. Since your board is spinning so much, there is a pretty good chance that you're going to land primo or with the board upside down while you're learning this trick quite a bit. So make sure and plan for that, and if you have something to hold on to that will just support your whole body from landing primo and flipping backwards, then that's also a good way to just practice the flick, the catch, and each step on its own before you begin putting it all together out into an empty parking lot like I am right here. So again, check out this foot position. So I bend down, pop with my back foot, and then my front foot flicks up and out off of the board super hard. And it's really important that you get that ankle pop right when my toe comes to the end of the board, and I pop my ankle up super hard, and then I just flick it out really, really hard. And again, the more your board, your toe is off to the side of the board, not too far, but just at the right point, and each of you guys can practice with your own board and work out which position actually works best for you. But yeah, that flick up is going to be the most important thing, and then obviously your foot position starting out, you can work on practicing having your foot more off to the side, which will make the board spin faster. So again, just as a general rule, more foot on the board, faster flick. Very, very, very important, and a good little thing to learn just as you're learning how to flip and double flip all kinds of different tricks. That'll help you out with a lot. Or even landing the single kickflip. Sometimes people have a hard time just getting the board to fully rotate on a single kickflip, and this again is a rule that you can use to help get the board to fully flip around. So practice this trick a lot by breaking it up into its different parts and then put it all together, and you guys are going to be golden. Going to have the best double flips around. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I know I haven't been doing a ton of how-to videos, but I'm about to get into them very heavy once again. So please let me know in the comments below what tricks you guys would like me to cover, what you want me to go over. Check out Skateboarding Made Simple. There are 4 different volumes right now and more coming soon. It's now available on iBooks for all Macintosh devices. That includes iPads, iPhones, and iMac computers. So yeah, check it out. It is awesome. It will help you progress super fast. Please click that subscribe button, click that like button, leave your comments below, and thanks as always. You guys are the best.